Hi, I am Munib, growth strategist from Growth Beyond Horizon, and today I am going to show you exactly how to start a Shopify dropshipping business in 2026. Dropshipping is one of the easiest ways to start an online business without holding any inventory. First, you will need to set up your Shopify store. Choose a catchy brand name, pick a clean and professional theme, and then customize it so your store looks trustworthy and appealing. Next, it's time to find winning products. Look for items with high demand and low competition. Platforms like AliExpress, CJ Dropshipping, Oberlo, Sparkit, and DSers are perfect for sourcing trending products that can sell fast. Make sure to check reviews, shipping time, and supplier reliability before adding them to your store. After that, set up your payment gateways and shipping options so customers can check out smoothly. Once your store is ready, focus on driving traffic. Use social media marketing, influencer collaborations, and paid ads to reach your target audience effectively. Don't forget to test and optimize your products to see what sells best and scale those items for maximum profit. Dropshipping success comes from consistency, learning, and smart testing. Stay patient, keep optimizing, and your store can grow into a profitable business. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to Growth Beyond Horizon and comment below with your Shopify questions.